So as a designer, I'm keen to explore how I can use my skills to solve problems that impact Singaporeans daily.
We've always discussed topics that we want to solve in the world, in Singapore.
We want to be part of a society where when people see problems and there are things they want to fix, they feel like they can do something about it.
That's what Vote for Good ultimately is. It is a way for us to make Singapore a place where citizens are empowered by the government to solve problems rather than having to petition the government in the hopes they will be listened to.
The issues that Singapore faces and indeed the world faces today are complex. What you need is solutions to come from many different players, not just the government. All of us have a part to play to contribute to the issues that we see today.
One of the key issues that I'm really interested in is definitely on areas of mental health.
The aging population, social issues relating to the elderly, and also caregivers.
Helping and supporting isolated seniors, healthcare, inclusivity for elderly in tech.
I'm one of the few people without any problem statements, but I'm very passionate to solve someone else's problem statement. As long as it can bring public good, I will make it happen.
I don't know what to expect. I feel very noob lah. I really am still growing like a sprout,
Well, I hope to win. I mean, aside from that, but even if we are not winning, I do hope that we are able to continue the project and try to make it a reality in one way or another. It doesn't have to end with Build for Good.
Singapore has been really kind to me. So I guess in a way, it's also my way of paying back to Singapore, and that's why I'm really interested in these efforts to improve the livelihood of Singaporeans.
The thing about coming to a hackathon is that I get to meet people from beyond my industry. So I'm hoping to work with the experts to really come up with product that can relate to people. That's what I truly want to do here.
So this is day 2 of the hackathon. This is my team. We are the good people.
Hey BFG, look at us being hard at work.
So Jocelyn, what are you doing right now?
We are refining our problem statement because we need to submit our MVP by Wednesday.
Sure.
So time is a bit tight.
I think the collaborative environment of this hackathon, coupled with the diverse expertise of all the participants, are a very powerful way to generate innovative ideas and create real change. Singaporeans, we are not creative. We do have a lot of ideas, but we kind of just need that nudge, in the right direction.
I think this is just the beginning. I believe that there will be more iterations coming, and it'll be really exciting to see what kind of problems there are out there that we have not tapped yet.
Our team name is actually civic coders. So the problem that we are trying to solve is to help isolated elderly have a dignified death.
My team name is Access Bridge, so we are trying to empower the communities to help the seniors.
We are called the Heart Hackers because we wanted to do something from the bottom of our hearts. We were interested in tackling the issue of isolated seniors and helping them alleviate their fears of dying alone.
So our team's name is Are You Okay? Because that's a thing that we usually ask somebody who we feel like is in need of some emotional support. The problem statement that we're trying to solve is helping users to overcome the barrier of sharing their stories with therapists.
So SGPO's role has been mainly to find government agencies whose insights and information will be most useful to the projects that the participants want to do.
It was very heartening to see the enthusiasm in trying to solve some of the issues that public could be facing.
I think there's also a lot of untapped potential that we can really activate more of within the community. Work with us to address the problems that we face.
We do see citizens as part of this whole ecosystem that we need to transform. And we look forward to partnering with the citizens to explore innovative solutions.
I think citizen-government partnerships are very important. There are a lot of solutions for scams, but there are not enough. Scams are constantly rising, and I feel like trying to combat scams should not just be a government effort, it should be a community effort. And the only way we can overcome this problem is to work really closely with the community.
We're all on the same team. We're all trying to solve social issues in Singapore. So even if you don't win, keep at it. Keep working with the organizations on the ground and really try to drive these initiatives forward, because you never know what might happen.
So I think what's been really heartening about the hackathon is seeing these builders come in week after week, taking their own precious time to think through the issues that society is facing and to find meaningful ways to contribute to it. And my hope and my dream is that every Singaporean can feel that and can do that as well.
We want to build for good to be so well known and so successful that if you ever see someone complaining online about something, the question is, then why don't you do something about it? Solving public problems is difficult and it's frustrating and it's challenging in a lot of different ways. But I think hopefully with this community, hopefully with the people you've met today, you see that there are a lot of people who believe that we can do better and want to work together in order to do that.